Department of EEE, SABIT. So welcome to Relay and High Voltage Lab. So today we are inside this chamber. So here acts like a media. Here you can see two spheres which is being connected over here. It acts like my electrode over here. So we are going to see its dielectric strength. What is its voltage when it is going to take place? We call it as flashover characteristics of sphere-sphere electrode over here. So likewise in the previous experiment that we have seen with the plane electrode. So we are going to have a repetition over here. This is my sphere electrode setup over here. So moving on to here, this is my rectifier panel over here, and this is my high voltage transformer around 30 kV. So from the transformer, if I am connecting directly to my electrode, we call it as HVAC connection over here. So if I replace this wire and connect it over from here to here, we call it as HVDC. From AC, we are converting AC to DC, and the DC we are going to introduce over here. So this is HVDC who comes here. Right now we are connected from AC over here, which is HVAC for the sphere gap we are going to see. And one more setting that we have to see initially, basically both the spheres should be touched in this manner. If you come closer over here, so here you can see 0 setting over here, 0, 10, 20, 30, and this should be in the both touched format. Okay, so at 0 they should be both touched. This setting has to be done by adjusting the knobs which is being placed over here, net arrangement. We can move the rod over here and insert both to be under close and for the 0 setting. Now we will slightly vary it and say we are going to do it for 6 mm or 5 mm. We'll try to do it. So this is the 5 mm spacing, and also here you can see there is a gap of 5 mm which is being placed over here. Now we will go to the control panel and do the control action over there. Okay. So let's move over there. Before coming outside, we need to close the door, and the door should be under close contacts over here. Okay. So here you can see the switch should be closed. Okay. Otherwise, my control panel is not going to work down. So moving on to the control panel over here. Basically, I need to switch on the relay panel. Okay, here this is the display kit here. So how much is the source voltage, what is the AC voltage that we are going to do it. Suppose if you are doing with HVDC, this is the panel that we are going to see. And here are few indications, that is mains on, HT off, HT on, unit is ready, sample this file, that we will have a look into it. So now we will see the practical case over here. Switch on the mains and switch on the HT. So HT should be on. So since we are connected with HVAC, here you can see the voltage is varied. Okay. So slightly keep on increasing the voltage. Okay, say right now it has reached 5 kV, 7 kV, 9 kV. So this is at 9 kV, it has got breakdown, and we could not able to see the spark at the two spheres. Now we will focus at the sphere. We will try to repeat the same experiment. So switch on the mains, HT on. Okay. So you can see between the two spheres, when I increase the voltage, so first a sound will be coming, using noise, and then a spark is going to appear between the two spheres. Observe carefully between the two spheres. Okay, so this is the one set of trial that you can do. Same thing we can repeat. The experiment by varying the spacing. We had given for 5 mm spacing. You can do it for 8 mm, 10 mm spacing for HVAC. Same setup can be repeated for HVDC setup with positive polarity or negative polarity, that can be done. Okay. So thank you.